Hello everybody, I am Pratibha Pundlik, गवर्नमेंट EVPG कॉलेज कोरबा में कार्यरत हूँ। MSc 4th सेमेस्टर के ऑपरेशंस रिसर्च पेपर के टॉपिक वेटिंग लाइंस और क्यूइंग थ्योरी में कुछ लेक्चर्स के माध्यम से पिछले 5 लेक्चर्स के माध्यम से हम उस टॉपिक को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं and we were discussing the model MM1 Infinity FIFO in the last lecture. इस मॉडल को सॉल्व करने के लिए वी रिक्वायर टू प्रोसीड इन 3 स्टेप्स। फर्स्ट स्टेप में हम स्टेडी स्टेट इक्वेशंस को बनाते हैं। सेकंड स्टेप में हम उन इक्वेशंस का सॉल्यूशन देखते हैं और थर्ड स्टेप में कुछ प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शंस को हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं। इन द लास्ट लेक्चर, इन द लास्ट सेशन we were discussing some probability density functions जिसमें हमने expected length of the waiting line और भी कुछ probability density functions देखे थे। Today we will continue with this lecture and we will be finding some more probability density functions. We will be continuing, which was the step number 3. To find probability density function of the time that an arriving unit has to spend in the system, which is waiting time plus service time. ये वाला function अभी हम लोग देखेंगे. To find probability density function of the time that an arriving unit has to spend in the system, waiting time plus service time. Let theta n v be the probability that an arriving unit spends time v in the system. The time कौन सा है? Waiting का भी time है और servicing का भी time है. Servicing का मतलब service प्राप्त करने का. When there are already n units in the system at the time of its arrival. जब कोई customer arrive हुआ है और उसको कितनी देर रुकना पड़ेगा प्लस उसको कब सर्विस मिलेगी या कब वो काउंटर तक पहुंचेगा एंड काउंटर की सर्विस को प्राप्त करेगा, उस टाइम को हम लोग यहाँ पर निकाल रहे हैं और उस टाइम की प्रोबेबिलिटी को डिनोट किया जा रहा है थीटा एन वी से. So theta n v is the probability that n units are served in the time v. Already n units service प्राप्त कर चुके होंगे, multiplied by probability that 1 unit is served in time dv. किसी भी कस्टमर को सर्व करने के लिए टाइम हम ले रहे हैं dv. So theta nv is equal to probability that n units are served in the time v multiplied by probability that 1 unit is served in time dv. So we can, according to the distribution Poisson method say, this becomes theta nv is equal to mu v raised to power n multiplied by e raised to minus mu v upon n factorial into mu dv, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. So we can write this as theta v dv is summation n is equal to 0 to infinity. Probability that there are n units in the system multiplied by probability that new arrival spends time v in the system. Probability that there are n units within the system. Already system में n units waiting line में है. Multiplied by probability that new arrival spends time v in the system. कोई भी नया कस्टमर आता है वो v समय तक वहां पर रहता है सिस्टम में. So this can be written as summation n is equal to 0 to infinity pn dot theta nv dv, or summation n is equal to 0 to infinity the value of pn substituted 1 minus rho raised to power n theta nv की वैल्यू हम रखेंगे रो mu v raised to power n into e raised to minus mu v upon n factorial into mu dv. On simplifying this, you have mu 1 minus rho e raised to minus mu v. Summation sign के साथ आएगा summation n is equal to 0 to infinity rho mu v raised to power n upon n factorial dv, or mu 1 minus rho into e raised to minus mu v into e raised to rho mu v dv, or theta v dv is equal to mu 1 minus rho into e raised to 1 minus rho mu v into dv. ये हम simplify कर रहे हैं and on simplification we get theta v dv is equal to mu minus lambda. जब हम rho का मान रखते हैं lambda upon mu और फिर इसको simplify करते हैं तो mu minus lambda e raised to minus mu minus lambda v dv. This is the theta v dv. Next, in order to find EWS, what is EWS? EWS is the expected waiting time in the system. कितनी देर customer को रुकना पड़ेगा, including service time. Service time मतलब काउंटर पे जो समय उसको मिलेगा, उसको इंक्लूड करते हुए उसे कितनी देर क्यू में खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा. That is the expected waiting time or EWS. That is average time that an arrival spends in the system. किसी भी सिस्टम में कोई भी व्यक्ति जो कस्टमर आया है वो सिस्टम में कितनी देर रहता है, that is the EWS or expected waiting time. Now expected waiting time will be integration of 0 to infinity v into theta v dv or 0 to infinity integration v into mu 1 minus rho raised to power minus 1 minus rho mu v dv. We are substituting the values here theta v ki, and hence you have EWS is equal to mu into 1 minus rho 0 to v integration v into e raised to minus 1 minus rho mu v dv. On integration by parts, इसको हम integrate करेंगे and by taking v as the first function, we obtain EWS is equal to 1 upon mu into 1 minus rho, or expected time in the system EWS is equal to 1 upon mu into 1 minus rho, that is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda. जब हम rho का मान substitute करते हैं तो मिलता है 1 upon mu minus lambda. To find EWW, that is the expected waiting time of a customer who has to wait. एक W है waiting time of the customer, दूसरा W हम यहाँ पर लिख रहे हैं जिसको wait करना पड़ रहा है. So it is denoted by EW/W. Expected waiting time of a customer who has to wait. कितनी देर उसको wait करना होता है. Average waiting time of an arrival who has to wait. So we have EWW. Now naturally this will be greater than 0. So you have integration 0 to infinity omega psi omega omega greater than 0 d omega, or 0 to infinity omega into mu 1 minus rho e raised to minus 1 minus rho mu omega d omega, or mu 1 minus rho integration 0 to infinity omega into e raised to minus 1 minus rho mu omega d omega, or 1 upon mu 1 minus rho. So EWW will be mu 1 upon mu 1 minus rho. Substituting the value of rho, we have 1 upon mu minus lambda. EWW is 1 upon mu minus lambda. Then to find the probability of arrivals during the service time of any given customer. Probability of arrivals during the service time of any given customer. We know that arrivals and service time follow Poisson and exponential distribution law. The probability of m arrivals during the service time of any customer, किसी customer को service प्राप्त हो रही है और उसी दौरान कितने arrivals वहां पर waiting line में आते हैं, उसकी probability है. Probability of m arrivals during the service time of any customer will be 0 to infinity PMT into FT dt. Substituting the value here of PMT, that is the probability of m arrivals, we will have e raised to minus lambda t. Poisson distribution से e raised to minus lambda t into lambda t raised to power m upon m factorial, and this is mu e raised to minus mu t dt, servicing time of a customer. So on simplifying all this, you have lambda raised to power m mu upon m factorial is equal to 0 to infinity e raised to minus lambda plus mu t into t raised to m dt, or lambda raised to power m mu upon m factorial into gamma m plus 1 upon lambda plus mu m plus 1. ये जो फंक्शन है हमारा, ये गामा फंक्शन के फॉर्मेट में लिखा हुआ है, बिकॉज 0 टू इंफिनिटी e रेज टू माइनस ए टी टी रेज टू पावर n dt जो है वो होता है गामा n plus 1 upon a n plus 1. Here we are having e raised to minus lambda plus mu t upon t raised to power m. So this becomes gamma m plus 1 upon lambda plus mu raised to power m plus 1. And so we have lambda upon lambda plus mu raised to power m into mu upon lambda plus mu. This is the value of expected, this is the value of probability of arrival during the service time of any given customer. Now these are some of the derivations and relations which will be required in order to solve problems based on क्यूइंग मॉडल्स. हम लोगों ने 3 लेक्चर्स में इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया था, मॉडल MM1, FI इंफिनिटी, FI F0. फर्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने इसके स्टेडी स्टेट इक्वेशंस बनाए थे और स्टेडी स्टेट इक्वेशन को किस तरह से सॉल्व करना है वो डिस्कस किया था. उसके बाद लेक्चर नंबर 5 में हमने थर्ड स्टेप के कुछ स्टेडी स्टेट इक्वेशंस को, प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शंस को निकाला था. एंड इन दिस लेक्चर नंबर 6 वी आर अगेन डिस्कसिंग सम ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी functions. Now all these values which have been derived will be useful in solving the problems related to queuing models. We have one more relationship between ELS, ELQ, that is length of the system, length of the queue, expected waiting time in the system and expected waiting time in the queue length. इसको हम लोग कुछ relations से define करते हैं. We have ELS is equal to lambda into EWS. You go back to the derivations and you will find the value of ELS and EWS, and on substitution we can find ELS is equal to lambda into EWS. The expected line length is the system, that is average number of customers is equal to lambda times the expected waiting time in the queue, that is average waiting time of an arrival in the queue including the service time. Similarly, ELQ is equal to lambda EWQ, that is the expected queue length or the average number of customers in the queue or average length of waiting line is lambda times the expected waiting time in the queue or average waiting time of an arrival in the queue. So excluding time, excluding the service time here. And the third one is EWS is equal to EWQ plus 1 upon mu. ये जो तीनों relations हमने यहाँ पर देखे हैं, पहला ELS is equal to lambda into EWS, second ELQ is equal to lambda EWQ, and the third one EWS is equal to EWQ plus 1 upon mu. The three relations, they enable us to determine the fundamental quantities. कहीं हम एक relation से दूसरे relation के माध्यम से इन quantities को determine कर सकते हैं, ELS, ELQ, EWS and EWQ. So these are the basic derivations required to solve any model problem. Let us find out some examples. We'll discuss some examples. These are some examples on model number 1. Customers arrive at a sales counter manned by a single person according to a Poisson distribution, Poisson process with a mean rate of 20 per hour. The time required to serve a customer who has an exponential distribution with a mean of 100 seconds. Find the average waiting time of a customer. The problem says that there is one sales counter. So and which is following Poisson process and exponential distribution. So the problem is MM1, that is Poisson process for arrival, exponential distribution for distribution or service, and single channel counter, because there is only one counter. Customers arrive at a sales counter. एक ही sales counter है, इसलिए यहाँ पर ये 1 लिखा है. And capacity कितनी है system की? Infinity. Any number of customers can arrive. हमको यहाँ पर कोई limitation नहीं दिया है कि कितने customers आएंगे. So capacity of the system is infinity. And you have to, this system is FIFO, first in first out. जो पहले आया वो पहले सर्विस उसको प्रदान की जाएगी. Then you have the customers arriving in a Poisson process and a mean rate of 20 per hour. मतलब एक घंटे में 20 लोग आ रहे हैं. तो here mean arrival rate जिसको हम लोग lambda से लिखते हैं, that is 20 per hour. Unit of time यहाँ पर hours में दिया है. सेकेंड वाला जो हमको दिया है, टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू सर्व अ कस्टमर. किसी कस्टमर को सर्विस प्रदान करने के लिए कितना समय यूज होता है? 100 सेकेंड्स. Time required to serve a customer, this is an exponential distribution with a mean of 100 seconds. 100 seconds हम किसी कस्टमर को प्रदान करते हैं सर्विस के लिए, तो मीन सर्विस रेट जो होगा, जिसको हम म्यू से डिनोट करते हैं, अभी ये क्योंकि सेकेंड्स में दिया हुआ है, we'll have to convert it into hours because हमारा पहला वाला जो मीन अराइवल रेट है वो आवर्स के यूनिट में है, इसलिए ये भी हमारा आवर्स के यूनिट में होगा. And mean service rate mu will be 60 into 60 upon 100, that is 36 per hour. Therefore, average waiting time to a customer in the queue can be determined by EWQ is equal to lambda upon mu into mu minus lambda. Substituting the three values, you have to find the average waiting time of a customer, which is determined by EWQ. And the formula for that is lambda upon mu into mu minus lambda. तो lambda की value रखेंगे, mu की value रखेंगे, और जब हम इसको simplify करेंगे, तो we get the answer in hours, and that is, उसको हम convert करेंगे seconds में, so answer is 125 seconds. And the average waiting time of a customer in the system will be EWS, that is equal to 1 upon mu minus lambda, जो expected waiting time है, average waiting time of a customer in the system, 1 upon mu minus lambda, जो इसका formula हमने derive किया था. So substituting the values, 1 upon 36 minus 20 hours, जिसको seconds में convert करते हैं, तो 225 seconds is the answer. इस तरह के problems model number MM1 FIFO with a capacity of infinity will be asked. Let us have another one. A TV repairman finds that the time spent on his jobs has an exponential distribution with mean of 30 minutes. TV repairman, TV सुधारने वाला व्यक्ति है, he sees that the time spent on his job, TV सुधारने के लिए एक exponential distribution को follow करता है वो, और उसका mean है 30 minutes. If he repairs sets in the order in which they come, repairing the sets in the order which they come, that is the first in, first out, and if the arrival of sets is approximately Poisson with an average rate of 10 per 8-hour day, एक दिन में 8 घंटे काम करके वो 10 टीवीज को रिपेयर कर सकता है. तो व्हाट इज द रिपेयरमैन्स एक्सपेक्टेड आइडल टाइम ईच डे, प्रतिदिन वो कितने समय खाली रहता है, और हाउ मेनी जॉब्स आर अहेड ऑफ द एवरेज सेट जस्ट ब्रॉट, और आगे वो कितने काम और कर सकता है. ये भी एक MM1 इंफिनिटी FIFO का प्रॉब्लम है. लेमडा का मान है 10 upon 8 into 60, that is 1 upon 48 sets per minute. म्यू का मान है 1 upon 30 sets per minute. probability that there is no unit in the system, idle time जिसको हम कहते हैं खाली समय, that is P0 1 minus lambda upon mu. Lambda upon mu का मान आएगा 1 minus 5 upon 8, that is equal to 3 upon 8. So the repairman's expected idle time in 8-hour day, 8 घंटे के समय में वो कोई अराइवल यदि ना हो तो 3/8 प्रोबेबिलिटी है, और 8 आवर्स के अंदर कितने बार ऐसा होगा कि कोई अराइवल नहीं है, that will be idle time and that is equal to 3 hours. So expected average and expected average number of jobs, ELS, that is lambda upon mu minus lambda. So substituting the value of lambda and the value of mu minus lambda, we get 2/3 jobs. Expected average number of jobs will be 2/3 jobs. Now these are some problems for MM1 Infinity FIFO. हम लोग और भी models को discuss करेंगे. We have 2 more models to go, and those models we will be discussing in the next lecture number 7. So students are requested कि आज जितने derivations हमने देखे हैं उनको आप अपने टेक्स्ट बुक, रेफरेंस बुक के माध्यम से you derive them on your own and you take up some examples and solve them, try to solve them and prepare yourself for the next lecture. Thank you.